the various election petition tribunals have delivered judgment in favor of the APC candidates in the state, to the consternation of the good people of Plateau State, who turned out in discomfort to exercise their electoral rights. What is happening in Plateau State is a rape of democracy and a threat to national security in all ramifications. A situation where judgments are made on pre-election issues leaves more to be imagined. The position of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Electoral Act as amended is clear that pre-election matters can't be entertained in a post-election matter. The Supreme Court of Nigeria has upheld this position in several cases that serve as antecedents. The Court of Appeal in its judgment indeed turned the law on its head by contravening the provisions of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Electoral Act as amended. The Court of Appeal in its judgment indeed turned the law on its head by contravening the provisions of the constitutions of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Electoral Act as amended. The people of Plateau State are in a state of shock and disbelief with the turn of events, which does not offer well for the fragile peace in the state given its long history of ethnic, religious and political unrest. The ambassador may wish to know that the rape of democracy in Plateau State has the potential to ignite another round of conflict of immeasurable proportion as the people feel robbed and exploited by the judgments of the Court of Appeal in the determination of election-related matters. The Concerned Citizen Forum of Nigeria is against this brazen display by the judiciary without recourse to the effect such action will have on the people and by extension national security. Therefore, there is an urgency for the United States of America as a worthy democratic partner with Nigeria to rise to the occasion by demanding justice and fairness from the judiciary in the case of Plateau State. This brazen threat to democracy should not be allowed to stand. The implication of a non-action is, by extension, an invitation to anarchy. The United States of America, as a worthy partner to Nigeria, is duty-bound to preserve democracy in Nigeria. The threat to democracy in Plateau State is real. It requires urgent action by the United States of America to preserve democracy and the rule of law in Nigeria. The Concerned Citizens Forum of Nigeria recognizes the invaluable contributions of the United States of America to the growth and development of democracy in Nigeria. It wishes to use this medium to call for an intervention in preserving democracy in Plateau State and Nigeria.